Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that plagues many of us: where does all our money go? We budget, we try to be mindful, but somehow, the end of the month rolls around, and our bank accounts look like they've been raided by a rogue sock monster. If this scenario sounds familiar, you're not alone. Thankfully, there are fantastic tools out there to help us wrangle our finances and take control of our spending. Today's hero? YNAB, also known as You Need a Budget. Now, some bookkeeping software throws a bunch of features at you, leaving you feeling like you need a degree in accounting just to navigate it. But YNAB takes a different approach, focusing on a core principle: intentional spending. Intrigued? Let's break down how YNAB can revolutionize your bookkeeping and turn you from a budgeting beginner to a financial master. Well, maybe not master, but definitely more in control. The philosophy behind the app. YNAB doesn't just track your expenses, it helps you plan for them. It operates on the idea of giving every dollar you earn a job. Sounds simple, right? But this simple concept is the foundation of YNAB's effectiveness. Here's the gist: when money enters your account, you don't categorize it as income. Instead, you allocate it to different categories: rent, groceries, gas, entertainment, whatever your budget demands. This is where the magic happens. By assigning jobs, categories, to your money before you spend it, you're actively planning for your expenses. Okay, but how does it actually work? Let's walk through a practical example. Say you get your paycheck, $2,000 this month. You know your rent is $800, groceries typically run around $400, and you want to set aside $200 for fun stuff. In YNAB, you wouldn't just record that $2,000 as income. You'd assign $800 to your rent category, $400 to groceries, $200 to entertainment, and so on. The remaining amount gets allocated to other categories or acts as a buffer. Here's the beauty: as you spend, YNAB tracks it against the allocated amount in each category. Did you go a little overboard at the grocery store? No worries, just adjust the allocation within your categories. The key is, you're constantly aware of where your money is going and how much you have left for each expense. YNAB features to maximize your budgeting. YNAB boasts some helpful features that go beyond basic allocation. Reconciliation: this ensures your digital records match your actual bank statements. Goals: set specific savings targets for that dream vacation or emergency fund. Debt payoff: track your progress towards eliminating those pesky debts. Mobile app: manage your budget on the go, making adjustments as needed. These are just a few highlights. YNAB offers a robust set of tools to empower your financial journey. Remember, YNAB isn't a magic bullet. It takes commitment and discipline to make a budgeting system work. But with YNAB's intuitive approach and focus on intentional spending, you'll be well on your way to taking control of your finances and finally understanding where all that money goes. Ready to give YNAB a try? YNAB offers a free trial, so you can see if it's the right fit for you. There's also a wealth of resources available on their website and through their YouTube channel. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy budgeting.